toy in there?
Look at our eye.
Where's your toy?
Yeah, no. Take the plastic off that, babe. What's in there?
Where's your toy? Is it in there? Oh, it's in there. It's in there. Looking so hot. How are you gonna get it out?
No, you can't get it out. Oh, her poor eye. How did she end up getting it out?
Should have to reach in. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Get it. Shake, shake, shake.
It's in the box.
Shake, shake, shake. Is it still in there? Still in there?
No. Do you see her shaking from pulling so hard?
Uh-oh.
And to play with Daddy's shoes thingies. Don't let her put those in her mouth, dude. Back to the box. You can do it.
Oh, is it on the bottom?
Yay!
Yeah, right.
Good girl! She's like, wait, I want to put it back. Yay!
How big is Haley?
We should catch her
How big is
standing
Haley?
up in her crib with the camera. It's like, what are you doing? Is that your blanket?
Now do clap, clap.
She just wanted the toy out so she could play with the box. Yay! How big's Haley? So big! So big! You gotta put the box down, silly. So big! Haley, where's your belly? Haley?
Hey.
Can you take those out of the living
Belly,
room,
belly,
please?
belly.
Can you take them out of the living room, please? Yay! Don't put them in your mouth. Take them out of the living room. Mommy's gonna throw them in the garbage.
Not interested in them.
Oops. Say bad walker. Why don't you stand her up behind our walker?
Just give it a bit by herself.
Come on. It's hard with my leg, honey.
Oh, good girl.
Look at
Good
mommy.
girl.
Show mommy your boo-boo
Say
on your eye.
cheese. Say cheese for mommy.
Haley, look.
Cheese.
Look at the boo-boo. Yeah.
Cheese.
Hi. So cute.
You gonna walk? You gonna walk over here?
Go get Daddy's cup. No, don't put it on top of our baby book. Get it off of there. Thank you.
There you go.
Is that hot?
No, it's not.
Don't let her drink it. It's gross. She'll be addicted at 8 months.
Here's your prize.
Oh, we gotta say the date because it doesn't say it on here. Today is February 7th, day after Dominique's birthday. 2010. It's 11 o'clock. Haley is 8.5 months old. She can stand up in her crib, pat her belly. We ask her where our nose is and she can point. What else can she do? So big. She could pick out Mickey Mouse and Pluto on a sticker lineup.
Stick them up.
She's eating Puffs and Biter biscuits. Standing up in her crib like a bad girl. Okay, we're going to turn off the camera. Haley, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Turn around to say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, camera. She says bye-bye, too.
Cheese.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody.
See you
Bye,
later.
everybody.
See you later.
Mwah.
Oh, she blows kisses,
Mwah.
too.
Mwah.
Mwah. Mwah.
Mwah.
You do it. Mwah.
Mwah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say mwah.
Mwah.
Mwah. Good girl. Say bye-bye, camera. Cutest baby. Look at me.
Here, look. What's this? What's
Oh,
that?
those are your cousins. In your
Haley.
photo album. Bye, baby. Bye.